Want to exponentially grow your own videography business? New all-inclusive training course shows hundreds of virtually unknown secrets to start, scale, and grow any videographer's business. Attention, entrepreneurs, videographers, go-getters, hustlers, those who don't settle for what life gives them. We've released a brand new step-by-step formula for creating amazing videography that has the ability to create a six-figure job out of thin air. In Module 1 there's 8 sections on all the scopes of equipment you might need to be successful. I've experienced trial and error with hundreds of aspects of equipment, so you don't have to. I'll walk you through on the basics and advanced techniques of every piece of equipment I use. In Module 2 I'll teach you how to think like a video pro. I'll show you the best way to approach rooms, have the perfect white balance, and how to always get the best shot no matter the circumstances. In Module 3 I'll show you my room-by-room formulas for how to shoot every part of the home. This is the ultimate cheat sheet for real estate videography. You'll learn the essentials and building blocks for creating amazing film in every room of the house. In Module 4 I take you with me on a few field trips. I walk through a regular residential home and a luxury residential home. I take you with me on site, show you everything that I do to film the home, and walk you through the entirety of the editing process as well. Click the link below to join Real Estate Videography Productions training and be a pro. Upgrade your real estate video marketing into full gear by learning about these essential real estate videos you can create and use in your online marketing.